Good day everyone. Our topic for today is all about illustration of geometric sequence. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Also, you will find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about illustration of geometric sequence. Before anything else, let's first define what is a geometric sequence. When we are talking about geometric sequence, it is a sequence of numbers in which each term is formed by multiplying the previous term by the same number or expression. Now, to understand it better, I prepared some examples about geometric sequence. Find the next three numbers or terms in each pattern. Again, the imperative is find the next three numbers or terms in each pattern. So this is our pattern. 3, 9, 27, 81. We will look for the next three numbers. Ano yung tatlong numbers na kasunod ng 81? So meron tayong 3, 9, 27, and 81 na given. Hahanapin natin yung tatlong numbers na kasunod nito. Look for a pattern. Usually, a procedure or rule that uses the same number or expression each time to find the next term. The pattern is to multiply 3 to each term. Kung titignan natin, class, 3, imumultiply mo siya ng 3, ang magiging answer is 9. Ang 9, imumultiply mo ng 3, ang magiging answer ay 27. At 27, imumultiply mo ng 3, ang magiging answer is 81. So, ibig sabihin, 3, 9, 27, and 81 has or should be multiplied by 3 or has a common term, okay? Common pattern of times 3. So, the next three terms now that we are looking for doon sa ating imperative ay 81 times 3 is 243. 243 times 3 is 729. And 729 times 3 is 2,187. Therefore, the next three terms for the sequence 3, 9, 27, and 81 are 243, 729, and 2,187. Another example. Find the next three numbers or terms in each pattern. Given 512, 256, 128, and 64. Kung napapansin nyo, yung unang given kanina ay ascending o pataas yung number. Dito, pababa ang number. So, nag-start siya ng 512. At kung nakikita nyo, lumiliit ang value ng number. So, hanapin natin yung next three term after ng 64. So, look for a pattern. Usually, a procedure or rule that uses the same number or expression each time to find the next term. The pattern is to divide by 2 to each term. But, based from the definition, we will, in geometric sequence, we multiply the term. So, note, to divide by a number is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So, the pattern for geometric sequence is represented as a multiplication pattern. For example, to divide by 2 is represented as a pattern multiplied by 1/2. So, as a clue, kapag descending ang ating mga given pattern, usually, the number that we are looking is a fraction. While kapag ito ay ascending or pataas yung number, usually ito ay whole number, no? Yung ating hinahanap. Now, we will look now for the next three terms of this pattern. If we will multiply or divide it by 2 or 1/2. So we have this one. Then, The next three term will be 64 divided by 2 is 32, or 64 over 1 times 1 half is equal to 64 over 2, which is equal to 32. The same. The next one is 16 divide 2. I think that's not the next one. The next one is 32 divide 2, 16. So we have 32 times 1 half, same. 32 divide 2, 16. For the third, we have 16 divide 2, 8. Or 16 times 1 half is 16 over 2, or 8. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Therefore, the next three terms after the sequence 512, 256, 128, and 64 are 32, 16, and 8. Next, find the next three term or three expressions or terms in each pattern. So we have 2m, 4m, 8m, and 16m. So we're looking up the next three terms or expressions after the number after the expression 16m. So look for a pattern, usually a procedure or rule that uses the same number or expression each time to find the next term. So the pattern is to multiply by 2. Again, kung nakikita natin, ang ating term is ascending. So we will look for a whole number that we need to multiply to the first term. Paano niya nakuha yung 4? At yung 4, paano nakuha yung 8? Paano siya naging 8? At yung 8, paano siya naging 16? So, as we look to the pattern, minumultiply lang sila ng 2. So, this is our pattern and we will just multiply each by 2 to get the next pattern. So, with that, what will be our next three terms? So, we have 16m times 2, we have 32m. 32m times 2 is 64m. So, hindi tayo nagiging m squared, no? Dahil wala namang what do you call this? Wala namang literal coefficient or letter yung ating 2. Okay? Kaya kinakopy lang natin yung m. And next is 64m times 2 and 128m. Therefore, the next three terms after the series or sequence of 2m, 4m, 8m, and 16m are 32m, 64m, and 128m. With that, that's all about for the illustration of geometric sequence. Thank you very much for listening.